Alright, today we're looking at a 2016 Acura MDX 3.5L. Okay, it's got 32,000 miles on it, still under factory warranty. It's white diamond pearl in color. It's got a clean Carfax, just one owner. I'll go ahead and walk around the vehicle. We'll start here on the driver's side. Got the turn signals in the side mirrors. Got the chrome door handles with the lock unlock button here. It is equipped with sunroof. Okay, it is third row seating. Driver's side of the Acura is in great shape. All right, it does have the rear backup camera. Make our way down the passenger side here. All right, it's got the lock unlock button here on the passenger door handle as well. Turn signals in the side mirrors. Exterior of this Acura is in great shape. It's a 2016, 32,000 miles, still under factory warranty. Clean Carfax, one owner. All right. Let's go ahead and take a look on the inside. All right, got the beige and black door panels, nice wood grain trim here, power windows, power locks, power mirrors. Okay, does have your power liftgate button right here. Does have memory seats. Okay, memory driver seat. All right, got beige leather, power driver seat. All right. Driver seat leather is in great shape. Go ahead and give you another shot of the sunroof here. Okay. Alright, got your armrest storage right here. Then you slide this thing back right here. You got a power outlet, USB, and auxiliary port in there. Okay, it does come with the keyless entry key fob. Alright, got your push button transmission right here. Another convenient power outlet right here. Alright, passenger seat leather looks good. Alright, no problems there. Alright, got your dual climate controls. You're going to have your radio display right here, backup camera, got your push button start, okay, leather wrapped steering wheel, got your cruise control over here on this side, steering wheel audio and Bluetooth over here on this side. Alright, let's go ahead and take a look at the mileage. Alright, it's got 32,308 miles on it. Now that we've got it started, I'll go ahead and show you your display screens here. This one's more like a wallpaper. It's the upper screen. It's going to give you your time right here. Okay, but there's other things you can do. You can click the menu button here. You know, you can get your trip computer. It'll tell you instant fuel, average fuel, stuff like that. Then when you come down a little bit, this is going to be your radio display and your climate control display. Okay, it does have heated seats. Simply press the icon here. You can go up all the way. Okay. It's got the power or the passenger heated seat as well. All right. We got your push button start. Okay. Let's go ahead and activate the backup camera. All right, and that's actually going to show up here at the top screen. Let me see if I can dim that down for you just a bit. Let's see, this button right here. There we go. Okay, and it's got the guidelines on there as well. Okay. All right. Let's go ahead and hop out. We'll take a look in the back seat. Door panels back here look good. Alright, it is the third row seating Acura. Okay, this is the second row. Second row leather is in good shape. Got the center armrest that comes down. Got your cup holders there. Alright, it does have rear heat and rear air controlled right here. I'll go ahead and give you a shot of the driver's eye view of the dash and the layout. Alright, and then one thing I love about these Acura is you can simply press this button here. The seat's going to come forward for you. Easy access to the third row. Okay, third row leather looks good. The only thing I see here is just a small little stain right here on the seat. I know it's dark back here, but there it is right there. Just a small stain right there. So I'm going to point that out to you. Alright, let's go ahead and take a look in the back hatch. Got the power lift gate. Alright, simply press that button there. Nice and smooth coming up. Alright, carpet back here looks good. Got some storage right here. Another convenient power outlet here. And these seats go down really easy. Simply pull this handle here. Alright, seat goes right down. And you can see how much it opens it up back here. Alright, and then simply pull that handle again. Seats come right back up. Simply press this button here to activate the lift gate. All right, let's go ahead and take a look at the wheels and tires. Got 18-inch alloys. All right, got the nice gray trim running along through it here. All right, alloys are in great shape. Brand new set of Michelins. Plenty of tread left on them. All right, once again, it's 2016 Acura MDX 3.5L. Okay, it's got 32,000 miles on it. Still under factory warranty. Clean Carfax, one owner. This thing's in great shape inside and out. Come down, check it out, take a test drive, and thanks for watching the video.